Small and mini woodworking crafts play a significant role in enhancing the aesthetics of living spaces, offering unique ways to infuse personality and warmth into a home. These creations, often overlooked in favor of larger pieces, hold their own in terms of impact and charm. Engaging in small woodworking projects allows individuals to explore their creativity while adding a personal touch to their environment. The importance of these crafts extends beyond mere decoration. They foster a sense of accomplishment, sustainability, and connection to nature. One of the key benefits of small woodworking crafts is their versatility. Unlike larger furniture pieces that may require substantial planning and space, many crafts can fit into virtually any area of a home. This adaptability allows homeowners to use small wooden items to transform nooks and crannies into visually appealing displays. A well-placed wooden trinket can serve as a focal point on a shelf, while a handcrafted coaster's set can enhance the ambience of a coffee table. These pieces can be mixed and matched, allowing for endless configuration possibilities that reflect the owner's style. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of creative small and mini wood furniture and decor pieces ideas to transform your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, small woodworking projects are excellent for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. For those just starting, they provide a manageable way to learn essential skills without the overwhelming commitment that larger projects entail. Basic techniques such as cutting, sanding, and finishing can be honed through small crafts, building confidence and proficiency. As individuals gain experience, they can gradually take on more complex designs, making the journey of woodworking both enjoyable and educational. The sense of accomplishment derived from completing small woodworking crafts cannot be overstated. Each piece created represents time, effort, and creativity, contributing to a greater sense of pride in one's living space. Whether it's a simple wooden bowl, a decorative figurine, or a handcrafted shelf, these items serve as tangible reminders of one's efforts and capabilities. Displaying them in the home not only enhances the decor, but also celebrates the journey of creation, making the space feel more personal and inviting. In addition to personal fulfillment, small woodworking crafts can also serve as meaningful gifts. Handcrafted items carry a unique charm that mass-produced items often lack. A small wooden gift, such as a personalized keychain or a custom picture frame, conveys thoughtfulness and care. These gifts can become cherished keepsakes, representing the bond between the giver and recipient. In a world increasingly driven by consumerism, the act of giving handmade gifts fosters a deeper connection and appreciation for craftsmanship. Sustainability is another crucial aspect of small woodworking crafts. With growing awareness of environmental issues, many individuals are seeking ways to incorporate eco-friendly practices into their lives. Small woodworking projects often utilize scraps from larger projects or reclaimed wood, minimizing waste and promoting sustainability. By embracing these practices, woodworkers can create beautiful items while contributing to a more sustainable future. This connection to responsible sourcing not only enhances the value of the crafts, but also serves as a reminder of the importance of caring for the environment. The natural beauty of wood adds a distinct quality to small crafts, bringing warmth and texture to living spaces. Different types of wood possess unique grains, colors, and patterns, allowing for a wide range of aesthetic possibilities. A small wooden box, for example, can showcase the intricate patterns of the wood grain, making it a work of art in its own right. The tactile nature of wood invites touch and interaction, creating an inviting atmosphere in any room. This natural element can help bridge the gap between indoor and outdoor spaces, fostering a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. Incorporating small woodworking crafts into living spaces also encourages mindfulness and intentionality in home decor. Each piece can be chosen or created with specific meanings or memories in mind. Transforming a living space into a personal gallery of experiences. A small wooden sculpture might represent a cherished memory from a family trip, while a handcrafted shelf could hold special items collected over the years. This intentionality adds depth to the home, turning it into a reflection of the inhabitants' journeys rather than just a collection of furniture. Moreover, small woodworking crafts can serve as conversation starters, inviting guests to engage with the space and its history. When visitors admire a unique piece, it opens the door for stories and discussions about the creation process, the materials used, and the inspiration behind each item. This interaction can enhance social connections, as sharing personal stories fosters a sense of community and belonging. In this way, small crafts become more than just decorative items. They become vessels for connection and shared experiences. The therapeutic benefits of woodworking also extend to small projects. Engaging in hands-on creative work can provide a sense of calm and focus, offering an escape from daily stresses. The act of shaping wood, smoothing rough edges, and applying finishes can be meditative, allowing individuals to immerse themselves in the present moment. This therapeutic aspect of woodworking is particularly valuable in today's fast-paced world, where finding time for relaxation and self-care is essential. Small woodworking projects can be completed in shorter time frames, making them accessible for those with busy schedules. Furthermore, small woodworking crafts can foster a sense of community among crafters. Workshops, classes, and online forums provide opportunities for individuals to connect, share ideas, and collaborate on projects. This sense of belonging can be particularly empowering, as individuals learn from one another and grow together in their craft. Participating in community events or local markets to showcase small woodworking items can also create a sense of pride and accomplishment. These interactions not only enhance skills, but also build lasting relationships based on shared interests and passions. In addition to personal connections, small woodworking crafts can contribute to the overall atmosphere of a living space. The careful placement of wooden items can create a harmonious balance, enhancing the visual flow of a room. For instance, a small wooden candle holder on a table can create a cozy ambience, while strategically placed wooden art can draw the eye and add depth to walls. This attention to detail transforms a living space from a simple dwelling into a thoughtfully curated environment that reflects the inhabitants' values and tastes. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative small and mini wood furniture and decor pieces ideas to transform your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.